In this lecture, we'll come to know what actually data science is, why there is so much buzz about this data science. So, first of all, we'll split this term data science. If we split, we get data and science. In the real world, the data comes from various sources. For example, in this picture, you can see data of geographical locations as you use your Google map. So each and every second, your Google map data is generated. So this is a source of data. In the same way, transport data, scientific data like DNA, RNA, cultural books, financial data, banking data, and there are more other sources from where data come. Okay, so we need to process this data. Another word is science. So from your high school days, you are very much familiar about this word science. Here we are not talking about physics, chemistry. Here we are talking about the science of this data. If we look in this real world, there are various kinds of data. So first of all, if we look in the text data, so in this category we get three kinds of data. First is structured data. Structured data is something like your database in which your data is stored in row and column format. If we look at the second type, which is the unstructured, so in the unstructured, we have blogs and tweets, your comments, whatever you write in free flowing text format, that is your unstructured data. And third one is your semi structured. So in the semi structured, we have XML and JSON. There is another kind of data which is numerical data. If we talk about numerical data, your age, your salary, product price, cricket score, everything where this number is included, it's a numerical data. If we talk about third type of data, it's a graphical data. In this section, we talks about image. An image is graphical data and another type is video. As you are watching this lecture, it's nothing but just a sequence of frames or images. So this image video which we are regularly capturing through your mobile is generating data and generating in huge amount and huge volume. Next is streamed data. So what is streamed data? Where data is coming continuously. So our stock market data, where at every point of second, large amount of data is coming at huge pace. Another is weather data. Each and every second, your weather temperature is changing, atmospheric pressure is changing. So data is getting generated at each second. So this is streamed data. So we have looked the categorization of the data in our real world. But why data science? Why there is so much buzz about data science? Why do you need to learn data science? So I'll show you one picture. So this picture is the result of the survey conducted by the LinkedIn Research on the engineering jobs in US. So if you can look at here, so the job of data scientist is the second most interested job from 2012 to 2017. So if you want to stay in the market, you need to learn data science. There is another very famous term, D4 of data science. If we talk about D4 of data science, so the first D represent data acquisition. Data acquisition means gathering of data from the various sources. Second D represent discovery, to search, research, or extract or infer some meaningful information from the gathered data. Third D is delivery. Deliver this insights, inference to the public, to the customer. And fourth D is the dollar. So you want to make money from your delivery. So these are the 4 Ds of your data science. So thank you very much for this lecture. In our next lecture, we'll go through the process flow of our data science. So thank you very much and meet me in the next lecture.